Hello students, welcome to this session. In previous lectures, we have covered variables, data types, loops, conditional statements in JavaScript. Today we are going to cover a topic, functions. A function is a block of code defined under single name that performs a specific task. Function provides better modularity for our application and a high degree of reusability. There are two types of functions used in computer programming. Here, user defined function and inbuilt function. We come to first user defined function. A user defined function is a group of statements defined by the user to perform a specific task. User can define the function in a head tag of the HTML page, and the defined function can be called anywhere in our program. The function is basically used for two purposes. The first one is reusability of code. Using function, the code can be reused. For example, when we define a function in the program, we can call function multiple times in a program. The second purpose is modular programming. In modular programming, a big program is divided into small modules. The syntax of defining a function in JavaScript is function, the keyword is function name, then argument list within parenthesis. Then the body of function is defined with block of statement within braces. A function may have its own local variable code to be executed, and the last statement in the function is a return statement. After reading the return statement, the function transfer the control to back to the calling function. The function has two parts: function definition and calling function. Now come to the calling function. Calling function means using function. A function in a program can be called anywhere in the program by writing function name followed by argument list in parenthesis. The syntax is in JavaScript is function name and followed by argument list within parenthesis. The argument is list is optional and may be empty. Let us take this example. In this example, we defined a function to find the cube of a number. The function is defined within head tags, and the script tag is used to understand the browser that this is a JavaScript code. And then we defined a simple form, and within the form there is an input type button, value click, on click, get cube 4. This function is called in the HTML program when a user clicks on a button. The function is called and the cube of the number is displayed with alert box in the screen. When the function is called, the 4 is transferred to the function. Then after executing the body of the function, the returns 0 means the control is transferred back to the function. In this way, the function can be called multiple times in the program. Now the second type of functions used in the in JavaScript are inbuilt functions. Inbuilt functions are those functions whose meaning are already defined in the system. Users need not to define these functions again. We simply use these functions. The meaning of user defined functions are already defined in the system. We discuss some important functions of JavaScript. The first one is alert function. The alert method display an alert box with a specified message and an OK button. The syntax of this function is alert message. For example, alert please fill roll number. Basically, this function is used to alert the user about a particular action. For example, if user leave the input box blank, then the user is alert about the action. The second type of second function is confirm. The confirm method or function displays a dialog box with a specified message along with an OK and a cancel button. Syntax is almost same as alert confirm message. Example, confirm do you want to submit. The difference between alert function and confirm function is that the alert function display the dialog box with OK button, and confirm function display the dialog box with OK and a cancel button. There are many inbuilt functions in JavaScript. Another function is write. This is basically a function of document object. This function is used to display the contents on the screen. It displays fixed value and value of a variables on the screen. The syntax is simple: document.write value, document.write ln value. Example, document.write hello JavaScript, document.write num1 plus a. Here a is a concatenation symbol. Plus is a concatenation symbol and a is a variable. Here the value of a will be displayed. There are many functions of math object in JavaScript. ABS absolute to find the absolute value of a number. Floor, it returns the largest integer value lower than or equal to the number. Log, to find the logarithm of a number. Max, min, power, it returns the value of a base to the power of exponent. Similarly, round, sine, square root, tan, etc. This was all about the functions in JavaScript. Thank you.